Hey, how's it going? So if y'all watched my channel before, y'all kind of know what I'm doing right here. I'm at this little rock wall I come out a lot, and I fish this creek a lot too, but I'm out here on my kayak and I'm heading down to I want to fish this creek, and I'm going to hit up on another creek and I'm going to fish my way down. So hopefully I can get on some pretty decent fish today. I'm actually gonna start working my way down. I'm gonna go a little bit farther, then start fishing. But today I'll pretty much be throwing a Hellgrammite to start. But I have noticed a lot of shad in the water, so I may actually switch to a shad type bait. I'm not really sure right now, but if they're not hitting the Hellgrammite, then that's what I'll switch to. But hopefully I can get out, come out here and get on some good fish today. There's one. First one of the day. All right, it might be a little red eye. Yeah, I think it's a red eye. Yes, sir. And it's a red eye. All right. Ooh, barely had him hooked too. All right. First one. Real pretty guy. Thanks for eating, bud. Finally. Ate that thing good. He bit it 2 times. Come on. Oh, better than the last one. With it coming fall, you can really see the let me turn the camera on so I can see. You really see the red in their eyes. I don't know if this camera's picking it up. It doesn't really look like it, but they're bright red. All right, thanks for eating, dude. Well, I really wish this water moccasin could kind of get out of my way, because I kind of have to walk through this. But I don't know if you see them right there. Come on. Just let's scooch around you, dude. Just move on. He's all curled up, not wanting to. Basically telling me stay away from him. I hope y'all can see him right there. There's one. Oh, man, come on, dude. There's one right there. Finally got on a good one. Oh, look at the fight he's giving me. He came out from under that log right there. There you go. Come on. Yes, sir. Come on. Oh, this is a really good one. I'm kind of... Yes. Oh, okay. Man. See here. That's a really good fish out of this creek. Finally, this is the first fish actually I caught. I managed to get a bunch of bites and a couple fish on, but they came off. But I fished this whole section of creek and I only caught like 2 out of it, and now I'm about to enter the other creek and I finally got on a good one. So maybe all these bass have moved down into this creek over here. Man, thanks for eating, dude. Oh, there he goes. I just had 3 bass swim up right again towards me, and I just pitched in right there. That was awesome, and a good one too. Finally getting on some fish out here. They all ran for it. Thanks for eating, dude. There's one right there. Ooh, this might be a really good one. No, he's just a strong fighting fish, that's all. Oh, what is this? What is this? I don't know. This might not be a bass. This is, oh, it's a catfish. Oh man, I keep running into these guys out here. Let me get my pliers out for this guy. Old channel rat. Well, got him out. Man, this would probably be a pretty good eating one, but he's a very pretty catfish. The last ones I've been catching out here, last trip, were covered in warts and everything, but real pretty catfish. There you go, dude. I don't like them because when I hook them into this creek, they just spray blood all over me. And that one's bleeding out his mouth a lot when he started rolling around in this hook in his mouth. Oh, that's a bass. Had a bass on, huh? Okay. I was going to sit down and paddle away, but I guess he decided to bite it. He said, hey man, I'm here. I saw a bass, and gosh, I didn't even have my chest on, just sitting out here. Oh, I wasn't even recording. I didn't think he would actually hit it because I kind of spooked him off. Man, that sucks. Oh, come on. I was just working through these rapids right here. Oh, let me get this hook out. Oh, it just popped out. But pretty good one. All right, here you go, dude. There he is. He came back and got it. Hopefully the hook's set good. Here we go. Man, that's a good one. I'm just kind of curious how much this guy weighs. I might put him on a scale. I brought the scale. So I'm gonna put him on a scale real quick, then let him go. Well, looks like my scale's not working. I don't know what's up with that. But here he is. Thanks for eating, bud. There's one. Ooh, what do I got here? Okay. Oh, it's just a bass. Just a strong one. That's all he is. I thought I had a gar or something. Come on. Get out of there. There you go. Came out of nowhere and grabbed it. Thanks for eating, bud. Okay, so I wasn't recording. Caught another fish right here at the entrance of this little creek right here. But just another pretty guy. Man, beautiful little fish. Oh, okay. There's one. Little small guy. I think the smallest one I've caught today. Oh, it fell out of my hand. There's one right there. He was already halfway across the creek when he got it in his mouth. Come on, get in here. Such a strong fish. Oh, yes sir, here's a good one right here. Oh man, he was in like 2 inches of water. Oh, no. Oh, popped off. Come on, stay on. All right, there you go. Oh, he's real bronze. Oh, it's a red eye. Well, first red eye on Shades Creek today. The first red eyes were the first 2 fish today. But here you go. Oh, stop. All right, thanks for eating, bud. Oh, what is this? Is he coming right at me? Yeah, he's just coming right at me. What? That felt so weird. Oh, and back on the spot. Not a red eye, but decent fish. Thanks for eating, bud. Well, I don't know if y'all can see them or not, but I do have an audience of horses watching me. A brown one and a white one. Y'all watching me catch fish? Alright, well, I'll leave y'all alone. They just eating. Here's one right here. He's been nipping at it the whole time. Hey, sorry, I got these 2 horses right here. I don't know. You tell me, is this the most Alabama thing? Some bass fishing and a couple horses right next to you. The brown one went over there, but there's that white one. They just keep staring at me, catching these fish. Oh, there's one right there. Come on in. Right on that rock wall. Here you go. There's the brown horse right there. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. The white one wanted some water, so I moved on. Good thing I did, because I got this one. What you eating on, though? And he's eating on some grass. I'm trying to get the hook at you. Oh, no. Stop. Oh, I hope I didn't hurt you. All right. You want to see him? Oh, he probably don't care. There you go, dude. Hey, so I'm at this bridge and I'm about to walk up this way to go to my truck, and today was a pretty good day of fishing. Never had to really switch from the Hellgrammite at all, so that was pretty good. I just knew with this lack of rain we've had, we're kind of in a drought right now in Alabama, so I kind of knew that the Hellgrammite would probably do the best. But too bad, like the biggest fish I caught today, it came off at my feet while I was trying to get my hand on it. The hook popped out of his mouth. It wasn't really set good, but other than that, I caught some pretty decent fish, and a bunch of them. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and hopefully I can get out something again soon.